tell us about the night you met Grandpa.
The night I met him?
Yeah.
It was too long a story.
Yeah.
She didn't meet him. She threw rocks at him going down the train tracks.
Did you throw rocks at
No.
Grandpa? No.
You told me that.
No, we teased the accents of Frankie Cassidy and I, my girlfriend.
Yeah.
She liked the other, there was two Ronnies, Ronnie Niblett and Ronnie, well, I forget his name. She liked the other Ronnie and I liked Ronnie. And we used to follow them on Sundays. They'd go for a walk. We had our eye on them.
Oh yeah.
And we used to walk behind and tease the hell, because Ronnie had such a Welsh accent, just come from Wales, eh?
Yeah.
And the other guy was French.
Yeah.
So they sounded just ridiculous when they talked. And Frankie Cassidy used to imitate Frankie, the Ronnie that was French, and I would imitate Ronnie when he talked, and they used to hate us. Get home, you girls. Get home and get helping your mother or something. Get out of our sight or something. Leave us alone. They hated us because we bugged them. Didn't we have a nerve?
Oh yeah, you did?
God, no brains. Anyway, we used to tease them like that all the time. And then one night I went to the dance and I met Ronnie at the dance. And I knew him. We talked and said hello all the time. But then he was taking a rest and he was sitting on the side in this big dance hall in Wayne. It was beautiful, all hardwood. It was a great place. And I was dancing with this fella that asked me to go to the dance, Gene Scott. He was a nice fella, tall, handsome, nice boy. I treated him terrible. Anyways, we were dancing around the waltz, Spanish Eyes they were playing. I remember everything. And Ronnie was sitting there by the window, and as I passed by, I was facing him. You know, when you turn, when you waltz, and I facing him. And he looked at me, and he winked, gave me a big wink.
Oh.
And I was a little flirt, and I winked back, just for the hell of it. Because I was bad, like, you know, full of hell.
Oh yeah.
And then I finished dancing with Gene Scott, and next was a waltz, and up comes Ronnie. He said, "May I have this dance?" We danced every dance after that, and he took me home, and we never parted until we got married.
Oh, that's a nice story.
That's how we met.
Yeah.